Yes guys, we landed in Gran Canaria and right now, as you can see, we're just chilling. Found a nice little spot.
Just opposite the airport.
Got a couple snacks.
We've got the Fuego. Yeah, I saying it right. We've got the Fuego Takis with the original Chip Ahoy. And yeah, we're gonna taste test them.
Takis are a bit of a scam though, by the way, guys.
Oh my gosh, I just opened the packet and look.
Absolute scam, but hopefully they're good.
What the fuck is this? So, yeah, let's see.
Cool guys, so we just gave out some of the parties. That big over there. He was
Now we
saying,
have
por
none
favor,
left.
por favor. How many did you give him? Feed in the streets wherever we go.
Yum. These are so much better than the longer ones. They're less spicy, more texture than the wavy ones. Nice, I love them.
Why is he so desperate for food?
I don't know. That's so weird. Oh my gosh, guys. I just realized you're sitting next to the number 22. The reason why I'm saying that is because we got lucky on the plane at aisle 22 and we both got a seat together and there was no one sitting next to us, so it was Gucci.
If you don't know about the two Earthlings, 22 is actually our magic number. So it's like, you see it everywhere and it's crazy, we're just seeing it again. Yeah. Probably see it pop up in more of our videos.
Yeah.
Madness.
Oh, by the way, we're just going traveling with two little duffels because we're only going for 5 days, 4 nights. So yeah, stay tuned. Then me and Aaron are gonna head off to the beach, and it's a quick walk. How long is the walk?
20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Canaria Beach, Playa de Oja. As you can see, carrying all the bags. 20-minute journey. But we're gonna go check it out. Might as well while we're here.
Shout out to Kurt Cat. We're doing some Kurt Cat shit. There's a beautiful cat over there. The kitty's like, what? Yes, you can eat them. There are so many cactuses.
That's a big bird. Oh, it's coming fast.
Okay, so he's taking us to see his house. We just stopped up at the beach.
Hola, soy Antonio. La niña se va a sorprender allí porque te vamos a llevar a un sitio precioso.
Nice. All the pictures. Yeah?
Hola.
Antonio, did you build this?
My house.
You built this?
Sí, mira.
Yes. Wow, that's so insane.
Fuerte que trabajar. My madre.
Thank you so much. That was really nice.
Ahora ¿para dónde va?
So this is the sunset. Oh my god, it's so amazing. So we're running a bit late to the airport. This was only a 4-hour stop off. 4-hour stop off. So we're gonna hurry on down there. 2 hours to our flight. We checked in already online. We just need to make sure that we're there. It takes 20 minutes to get back there, but we're carrying bags. Well, my love's carrying bags. Heavy bags. And yeah, we'll get back to you then. See you. So this is what I mean. You have to walk on the roundabout. Big ass roundabout, but it's not busy anymore, so it's not that bad. Aaron? I think it's turning right. See? pass and then we'll cross. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you. So they're letting us go, which is nice. So we got these donuts. So excited to munch these. We just got these in the... Oh, Aaron's phone's dead. Got my portable, don't worry. Just got these in the gas station.
Soft donut.
Recommend.
In flight mode, maybe if your device or its battery is producing smoke, is lost or full. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.